Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to go live on Lollipop app. Alright, so Lollipop app, as you know, is a live streaming app. So if you want to go live on the app, first step you have to take is of course open the app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is make sure that this icon at the bottom left corner is selected. Once that is selected, the next thing you want to do is look right here. You're going to see this Go Party icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once that is clicked, you get this notice that you need to reach level 3 to unlock your own room. Alright, now if you want to reach level 3 so that you can start going live on Lollipop, all you have to do is to click on your profile icon right here at the bottom right corner, and then from your profile you are going to see this level icon right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you are going to see all the levels on Lollipop and also the requirements you need to meet before you can reach the level. All right, so for level 1 to 5, you are expected to spend a total of 98 to 1700 plus coin. So once you spend such amount of coin, you will be able to reach level 3. Right, so how can you spend this coin? First, you need to purchase the coin, so you have to head back and click on this T coin right here. Alright, so once you click on that, here you're going to see some coins that you can purchase on the app. So go ahead and select any of them and make your purchase. Once you make your purchase, you'll be able to see your coin reflecting right here in your coin balance. Alright, so once you have some coin right there, the next thing you want to do is to join people's live on Lollipop. Once you join people's live on Lollipop, you are going to see this gift icon right here at the bottom right corner. Click on that and select any gift, then send. Alright, make sure you have sufficient coin that could afford the gift. Alright, so once you spend your coin gifting people, you'll be able to increase your reach level on Lollipop. So once you successfully spend enough coin and then you are able to unlock the reach level 3, then you can now start your own room on the app, which is live streaming on the app. Right, so that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now understand how you can go live on Lollipop live streaming app. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.